this out, guys. Little sneak peek of the interior. If I press this button like that, this entire panel slides to the left, and you get your charging port guided by this light. And all of these will light up when you walk towards the car. You see them lighting up and stacking on the sides? That looks so cool. I can just open that up. And that right there is a 55-inch uninterrupted glass panel going end to end. Sitting inside, you can actually see how this lights up. You see how the wood is perforated? And all of this is your AC vent. It's integrated into the leather to keep everything very minimalistic, but clean and futuristic.
This is a Joule-inspired controller, and this is your steering wheel of the future. Check this out, guys. Watch what happens. Ready? The car opens up to give you a hug, to welcome you in. This is the brand new Model L100 from Lincoln. This is your Crystal Greyhound here, like an artwork behind glass. This shows the charging state, right? So half charged will only light up half of the wheel. Look at the floor of your car. It is one big digital screen all the way from the front to the back. Okay, that's its little holding position. Look how everything lights up. That is so cool.
Check this out. This has spheres instead of wheels. This is the car from the movie I, Robot, and it's built for the future. Look at the brushed aluminum with the Audi logo illuminated. How cool does this look? First off, you got bucket seats. Pretty cool. Even cooler is the steering wheel. Half yoke, buttons to shoot some robots. Got the control panel. Flick all this down. Turn on your lights. You see, this comes to life. Just gotta turn that like this. Ready? All right. This is crazy.
This is your toolkit. Slides in here. Perfect little compartment. To your off-road Maybach. The only one in the world. Just check out the back here with the Maybach lights lit up in the tail lights. You've got your roll cage, but it's on the outside of the car. How freaking cool is this? This car is a collab between Maybach and Virgil Abloh, one of my favorite designers. Here, all solar panels along this whole front. When have you ever seen a seat like this? What is this? It looks kind of like a suitcase from the outside. Check out this screen though. Huge screen that folds away into the front. Oh, wait, look at this. You've got a Maybach axe. When have you ever seen a Maybach logo printed on an axe before? Look at that. What? This is all water vapor because this car runs on hydrogen. Check this out. It's called the Hyperion. These are solar panels all the way around here. And watch this, they move. Wow. Up again. And go. What? Now I've got this, look. Whee! We place it here. Ready? Watch this up here.